Hello everyone, this is Inga. I'm back with another video, and in the last video I showed you how to make the covers of this Dutch Doobadoo album. And yeah, so this is my very first page. This is an image, sort of a long narrow image from the Summer Stories by Maremi, and I used some vintage paper because I love how the beige matches the colors in the image, and also because I think the seagulls are standing on the shore, on the beach, and I thought this is the perfect beach color, because otherwise I had to do something here in the sky, and no, I wanted it to do it like this. So the thing is, with an image like this, and Maremi has a lot of those images, that you look at it and you think, wow, this is so pretty. How am I ever going to put something on top or next to it that doesn't take away from the image itself? Because, we don't want to cover up all these gorgeous bits. And that sometimes for me it is really hard to then use it as a for a collage, and then it just sits in that album forever, and I never use it. So I figured today I will show you how I go about it, and this is perfect because of this trip, because we added something extra it, and we are going to do a little bit of collage, but I want the main focus, which is the seagulls, to stay sort of intact. Now, and here these beautiful waves. You need to cover something, otherwise you can just frame it and in a nice picture. How do you say that? Lijstje. In a picture reel, and just hang it on the wall. that's fine too. I mean, if you want that, that's okay. But no, we want something to do with it. So I figured, these for me are a little bit messy. So I figured if I put something here, and he can lose his wings, because that's okay. I've never seen a dancing fairy with wings on the beach anyway. But I can imagine him without his wings. And then I figured, it's gorgeous, but that's okay. We can put something on top of here. And then this is very much the same color. I'm going to do something about it. Now, some other things I found in the book are like this. We can cut something off, to maybe, I don't know, let it frame him. I have some shells, roughly in the same color. I'm going for a little bit more aqua green colors that match this, and a little bit of the beige. So that's okay, that's what I have. Now, what else do I have? I have my stamps. I think I'm going to use those, especially like here in the corner, without bothering these seagulls. And what I also have, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but this is from Fairy Bells, and they have also a sort of sea aqua series, and they come with these how do you say, the text sentences, and I love that this is a little bit more beige. Can you see? It's definitely not white. If I hold it to the white, you can see it. And so I'm thinking that would look great on here, maybe with a little bit of black underneath. And then I have these. Sorry for the price is still on there, guys. That's not very nice to look at. But these are from Mintai, and I love Mintai. I especially love their paper die cuts. Even if I don't like the paper series, I usually will get a bag of these die cuts, because they are so versatile. And you would think, well, I don't know, I don't really do traveling or lighthouses. I cannot imagine that you won't, but and that's okay. They come with a variety of little snippets, and the great thing what I like about it is they have a color combo. In this case, it's the dark blue with the almost like a deep red, and with beige and white. And this is, I think, is so amazing because look, they have seagulls, they have shells that we could use. We could use maybe like binoculars. I don't know what they're called um, in English, but you know what I mean. A bottle, a candle. I'm just going to see. And so this is for the beige types, but also this series is called the Bon Voyage. Now, I love traveling series, so right up my alley. But they also have, this is the exact color scheme that we want. So maybe we can use something, even if it's just a photograph, a photo camera, or binoculars like these, or a little compass, or you know, this I like too. I don't know how big they are, we're going to see. But so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out all these. I'm going to turn the camera off because you don't need to see me cutting. And then I'll come back and we're going to play a little bit. See ya! Okay, so I'm back. I just placed a little bit how I thought what I like, but I'm going to explore a little bit more of this. This is what I figured. As you can see, I kept his wings. I did cut them short and I cut them loose so I can place them however I want, because yeah, I want this to be shown, but I do like it. See, and now he does cover a little bit of the seagulls, but not all of them. This is also covering a little bit, but I love this one. I want to keep that one here, the sun, so this could go in the corner here. And this little shell comes from this series, as does this, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do here. I do like something in the corner and then a little text here, but we could also do like this, and then instead of this, like this is a vintage one, like a real vintage one. I don't know what year. Can we see that? No, I don't know. 29 pence. I've no idea how long ago, but look how gorgeous that colored with that. So I'm thinking maybe, what if we do it like this and we just tear it? Let's just do that. I'm going to ink everything because you know I love doing that. And so if we do it like this, a little bit of overlapping here, and then the candle like that. I love how this sort of old worldly candle stick and holder goes with that ship. Is this a good match or isn't it? No, it isn't. But what about this? Is this no, I don't like that. I don't like that. That is, let's just see what else we have. If I'm opening up something like that, what I do is I take a lid from a box and just, oh, it's open. It is open. And just place this here, because that way, oh look, we have a seagull. Oh, we have other shells as well. Let's just grab and put it here what we like. Here, the seagull I like. What else do we have? Now, all this blue is way too blue. We're not doing that. But I might just, like I said earlier, I did love, oh, I do love that. We have a little bit of a sea star. Where are the, oh, this is very big. No, that's way too big. We're not doing that. I do love these shells. I really do. Oh, this is, oh, I love that one too. Or do we maybe want a book? We could. Okay, that's it. Enough. Enough we have. Because otherwise we have a little bit of space. Not a lot. I love this. Just peeking out. Seeing the seagulls. Yeah, I love this. I love this. Maybe this will be another one. Who knows? We could put a seagull here. No, that's too much. No, no seagulls. Definitely not a seagull. Are we going to do it like this? I do like that, guys. I really do. Then let's get this. I think this is too modern with the glasses. We have a little bit of a bottle. No. Oh, here's the bottle. Oh, we have a smaller one. Oh, we have a smaller bottle. Wait. That's way too small then. No, it's too blue. Not doing that. I do like the book though, but I want it to go like this, not cover up the seagull, and then maybe we could use these again, or this one. Oh, maybe I do. I like that. What about a shell? Oh, yeah, maybe. Do we have smaller ones? Yes, we do. Let me find a smaller one. This is not it. Oh, these shells only come in one size. No, that's not helpful at all. How about this is a little bit smaller? How about, oh, I like that. How about we do it like this? Or yes, I do like that. Yeah, maybe we'll do it like that. Because he looks like he's just come from a storybook, you know, a fairy tale. I do. And then a little bit of quote. You know what? I think I'm going to do it like this. No, not too much. That's it. We're going to save this for another day, and these go back into their little. We'll do this off camera. Yeah, guys, I think I'm going to do it like this. And then we have two outstanding things and a little bit of that. First, I'm going to ink this up and this up, because I really want that standard. This I want like this porcelain color, so no inking here. He can just, you know, sort of be wherever he is. This is okay. Yeah, let's do that. Where is my ink? Where is my ink? Here we go. The vintage photo, because it is very much already brownish, and I want to add to that. So it stands out on this. See, that's perfect. There we go. And this as well. And I'm going to do it a little bit like this. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now for gluing I'm going to use my Nouveau glue. Start with the easy ones. And I haven't even looked, and that is definitely something we need to do. If there's a postage stamp somewhere that matches it, let's not forget about that. Oh, before I do that then, I need to check. Maybe one. Yeah, let's go see. Oh, I do like this color. Yeah, perfect. As if it was made for me. It was just on top. And I'm going to do it a little bit crooked. Like this. Oh, stay. Stay where you're supposed to be. This is what's going like this. Yep. And then we have, honey. Wow, are you finally coming inside? She has been outside. So there's a little bit of story to it. She got a new scratching post. Pole, I don't know how you call it, but it is, it's huge. No, it's not that huge, but it's big. And of course, like a real cat, she doesn't want anything to do with it until now. A little bit of scratching, but other than that, she's like, yeah, no way. No way, human, what have you done for me? But the old pole was, I'm going to do it like this. The old pole I put outside, so that she could lay in it. And of course, there was one of these sort of hanging baskets on top of that pole. She has never ever spent any time in that at all. And now, of course, it's when it's outside. She got in it this morning at 5 o'clock, and she had barely left it until now, and it's now 3 o'clock. So you tell me if you understand cats, because I certainly don't. Oh, I love that. I love. And this is yeah, amazing. No, I could have been a little bit lower, but that's okay. That's fine. Okay, so I want to do a little bit of shading later on there. Hi, hon. Let me get this out of the way, because I can already see you making moves as if you want to join me. Yeah, you can. That's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Okay? Yeah. It's raining, hon. But that's good for the plants, I guess. They really need a little bit of... Why is it glued? Why is this glued? Oh no. Are you serious? Why would you do this? Oh, that is not okay. That is so not okay. I'll rip this. That's okay. Why would you want to do that? Okay. Alright, let me see. Keep calm, love the oceans, mermaid at heart. Oh, I do think I'm a mermaid at heart. Take me to the ocean. Yeah, I know, hon. I know. Hey, it's okay. Have fun and be free. Have no fear of death. Part-time mermaid. No, I'm not a part-time mermaid. Let's go with the flow. La la la. I think I'm going for the mermaid at heart. Really. Oh wow. These are really, really flimsy and thin. That's going to be hard, but I'm going to try it anyway. You know what? I'm going to glue it here. Maybe this will help. It's not perfect, but it will do. And that's the beauty of this part. Mermaid at heart. I'm going to use the numbers to sort of put it straight. Do I like that? No. I have something else that I can use, and that is this. These are the watercolor pencils from Tim Holtz. I don't have second series, but I do have these. I'm thinking maybe I'm going to go for this. This is a bit dark, but that's okay. Just going to get a little bit underneath, a little bit here. Oh, should I put it here? Yeah, I'm going to do it like that here too. Let's do that. And then a little bit of water. Oh, stay where you are. And I always have some leftovers like these laying around. Oh, I like that. That gives it a little bit more. Yeah, love that. Love, 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 love. Now see how this works. I can do the same thing with, let me see, is this ink black? No, I want sepia bark. The sepia ink. There we go. A little bit of darkness underneath here as well. Oops. Just a little bit, not too much. And I'm going to give that a little bit dry here as well. This does not flow as easy as the watercolor pencils, but that's okay. And you have to be very careful because I didn't use any gesso or anything, just, you know, a little bit of water on vintage paper and it go soak in. You need to be careful with that. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. What is it, hon? What is it? Yeah. I'm almost done. Don't worry. I'm almost done. In fact, I think I'm going to call this one done. I mean, look at it. I absolutely love it. So this is a way you can honor the image on the page. Don't cover it up too much, but still make a very nice cohesive collage. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or even consider to subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.